Hey guys, so the full details of the IIIF150 Air2 has been reviewed, and after going through the details I discovered that they are not that impressive. Anyway, I'll talk about the IIIF150 Air2 in a separate video, but in this video I'll be comparing the Air2 with its predecessor, which is the IIIF150 Air2 Ultra, just to point out the differences and similarities between both rugged devices. Anyway, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and of course you could feel free to share your opinion about the specs of both devices in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's dive in. So there we go guys, the IIIF150 Air2 versus the Air2 Ultra. Which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.